Usomabhizinisi uZenxumalo kubikwa ukuthi wanikeza uSayitsheni uFani Nkosi amathikithi okuthi baye emcimbini okwakukhona kuwo uMusa Khawula ukuze bezokwazi ukumbopha. Ukhomishana ubuze ukuthi ingabe lokhu okwenziwa uNxumalo kwakungesikho yini ukugxambukela emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
It suggests that and all the facts about tickets, him providing you with information about where Mr. Kaula is, and giving you tickets, and then concluding in this chat 5 where he says Mabunda will call you. It gives the impression, the unavoidable impression that in fact you had a complainant who was directing this investigation and telling the police what to do, where to go.
Maybe I can say 50-50 from the suggestion of the commission, but to me, I think maybe it was desperation because it was affecting him in his marriage.
Ummeli kaNkosi ukhale ngendlela omunye wabahola ofakazi aziphatha ngayo uma uNkosi ephendula imibuzo.
He's doing this when the witness is answering. So the witness starts bothering, am I saying something wrong? And therefore, he's interfering with the witness giving evidence, as if what he's saying is wrong, and that makes him to not start thinking twice.
Kusayindida ke ukuthi zashonaphi izimpala ezabe zibuya kuVusumuzi Cass Matlala njengoba uShadrack Sibiya ekuphika ukuthi uMatlala wamnikeza izimpala kanti ke noNkosi naye uthi azifikanga kuyena. uNkosi uthi akulona iqiniso okwashiwo uShadrack Sibiya ukuthi wathi akazifuni izimpala.
Did he ever say to you, I don't want impalas?
No.
Sorry, was that a no?
Yes.
And did he say to you, I certainly don't want anything from CAT because CAT is a supplier?
No.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.